You no dey capable to lead the team. Yusuf Ali to Wemimo Matthew. As I begin to dey coach the team, I see improvement. Wemimo Matthew na im talk dis one. The coach wey dey head the Edo Queens Football Club of Benin, Wemimo Matthew, dem don sack am. The chairman for the Edo State Sports Commission, Yusuf Ali, talk am for one press meeting wey e do after the Super 6 game wey happen between Edo Queens and Nasarawa Amazons. For the game, dem beat the team by 1-0. Dis happen on Tuesday for the University of Benin Sports Complex. Ali tok say the poor performance of Edo Queens for the Nigeria Women Football League (NWFL) Super 6 tournament no sweet im belle at all. E con continue say the coach no dey compe ten t, na why dem sack am. E con tok say the assistant coach go continue for where Wemimo wey be the coach stop.
I also been to the technical room, and from my understanding, from I found out is that the coach is not capable. I think at this point we have to leave our appointment. I have to stop the coach, let the assistant take over from now on, please. Until after the tournament, I don't know what to do with Edo Queens. But for now, the coach is sacked. Let the assistant take over, please.
Wemimo con shook mouth talk say she no get any issues with wetin the chairman talk, that if na wetin e want, she go take am like that. She con talk say since she dey coach the team, dem don improve.
If that is what they want, nothing bad about it. But I know this is not the team I met here. Last year they were beating them 4-0 in Super 6. Last year in their qualification they took fourth to qualify for Super 6. While this year we took second to qualify for Super 6. And we've been able to play draw. They lost all their matches last year, and even during the league we play unbeaten for like 10 matches. We were winning away, winning home. Last season they couldn't even win any away. They lost all their away matches, and even year before last year, Adamawa beat them both home and away. And this year we went to beat Nasarawa home and away. So if they have any secret reason why they do it, no problem. I didn't get anything wrong because there was a lot of improvement in the team. There was nothing I got wrong. I didn't get anything wrong. I did my best. I recruited players from different 12 clubs. Together with the make it 13 teams that I recruited players from at the beginning of the season, and we've played series of competition. We came third in one, we came second in one, we came third in another one. Now we qualify for Super 6. Even before our last 3 games of the season, we were already qualified. We were the first team to qualify. So I think I didn't do anything wrong because it's a building, it's a coaching whatever. For you to get a standard team, you must be able to handle the team for like 2 years, 3 years. So you can't just bring players from different clubs to bring them together and they perform this way and they think it's not okay. I've done the best any other coach can do. There's progress, so I did not take anything wrong. And they took care of the girls like every other team. They paid their salary, they paid their bonuses. Final. So every other team too, Berasa, Rivers, Nasarawa, have been on tour for 2 weeks. So the way they took care of other teams, they have been taking care of us.
I knew it was going to be a hard game because Coach Wemimo has always been my colleague in the national team. And I know I need to bring 1 or 2 things out of my cap to be able to counter whatever she knows about me. So it was going to be a difficult game, and that is what it proved. So it's a game of mentality. I said something before this competition. We were coming here, we were not under pressure. One, we're coming here to enjoy ourselves, and secondly, to show everybody that we were missed in the last edition.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.